Hello and welcome, it's Gilly Cube. I'm here in Queensland, Australia, working on this little 20 by 20 canvas. It was an idea that I had, I'll explain as we go along. They were all custom colours that I'd mixed previously, so this was just a very pale blue. And I'm going to cover this little canvas because I have some paint mixed with, which is Amsterdam black, with just FLOETROL only, that I'm going to see what kind of cell action I get on this lovely little piece. So I'm going to use my soft plastic file divider. I just find it my best swiping tool. Wow, look at that. Straight away those cells popped up, or lace, sort of lacy cells, let's call them. So yeah, just giving it a tilt back and stretching them out a little bit and giving it a whiz over with my heat wand, which will burst any air bubbles in the paint and also help the paint absorb into the canvas. So this was another green blue that I custom colour made also, and that is a little bit of it's called sand. So it's, yeah, and I'm getting a few chunky bits in there, but when I come to try and get them out with my tweezers, it just sort of broke up soft. And that colour was, what's that called now? I can't remember. That wasn't one I mixed. I just can't remember what that was, but it's kind of, yeah, like a mustardy yellow. And then I finished off with that blue-green again on top. And just very simply blew the little design out with my little stainless steel straw that's got a silicone bendy end that I got from my local discount store, and then simply giving it a balloon over to get the nice kind of petal effects in the centre, which I couldn't get if I even attempted to paint those in. So very simple. I'm going to bring you down, have a little look-see at this very cutie patootie. Wow, that's gorgeous. Look at those cells. Yes, that was Amsterdam black paint mixed with Australian FLOETROL is what gave me those lacy effect. And then the other paints were just my normal pouring medium, which you'll find in the instructions below this video. So that is gorgeous. I want to try different colour combos with that sort of pepperminty green I made. I made it out of my custom colour, which is green blue together. Makes that gorgeous sort of dark teal. And those were the balloon kisses, look at those. So I save this wax paper like this for my grandchildren. Love cutting out these medallions when they're dry, and I'm gonna get them to put them in a collage somehow. But yeah, that's so they'll be reused. Okay, my lovelies, thank you so much for joining me. It was short, sweet and very simple, and I hope you enjoyed it. These little canvases are perfect for gifting instead of a card, or just because you're happy to give someone a little piece of your creative endeavours. So that's my thought anyway. I think they're quite welcome these little gifts. So okay, take care. If you're feeling sad, lonely or depressed, please don't suffer in silence. Ring a family member or a friend, and if that isn't available to you, then certainly a helpline. Bye for now.
If I wrote you a song, if I got every word perfectly weighted on a thin piece of paper, would it make any difference? Would it change for the better if I wrote you a easy rider on the highway, station wagon going slow, windows open, you are basking in the bluegrass radio. It is easy now to see you with your hand out on the wind. I keep this folded at the corner so that I could not forget. Folded at the corner so that I could not forget. Pink azaleas by your driveway shade our leisurely goodbyes. In your terry cotton sweater, with your arms sweeping the sky, it was then I had a knowing. You were waving till the bend. I keep this folded at the corner so that I could not forget. Folded at the corner so that I could not forget. Shadow to the coast, past the surf and whitewashed beaches, under cypress trees and smoke, carved like lovers into driftwood.